in terms of how to appropriately wear your personal protective equipment, as well as knowing what items to carry with you, especially when you're out, out from home, or if you're out shopping, or if you're going out to the store to get some items. Okay, so let's get started. First off, it's very important that you stay protected by having some type of mask on, okay? So ideally, the N95 mask is what works best because we know the virus is very, very tiny, and the way that the fabric material is made with N95, it's made down to the micron size, so that helps with preventing the virus from going through when you inhale. Okay, so here I have a surgical mask that I'd like to demonstrate to put on. One thing I've noticed, the thing with these masks is that as you remove the mask, you tend to yank the sides off and the sides can fall off. So I'll show you one strategy on how you remove it and put it on so that you prevent ripping this piece off, okay, so you can use it for long term. So my recommendation is using your fingers here, getting it wrapped over, and then having it loop over to your ears, okay. Now once you take it off, the strategy is not just pulling it, because I tend to notice that the sides rip off, so try to get a loop back in here, and you just go loop down and up, and it'll come right off. Okay, there you go. That's how you preserve your masks, okay? And let's say if you know that you will be going into a highly populated area where there's a high risk of COVID-19 patients, I would recommend putting a surgical mask on and also wearing an N95 mask over, just for full protection, okay? Now, what I also carry around with me is one, hand sanitizer from Walgreens, as you can see here. I've also made different types of hand sanitizers, as well as even sprays, mists to spray on my hands to prevent any infections. And you can either purchase already made hand sanitizer, or you can actually make your own. One other effective tool that I find very helpful is to have like a Lysol spray anywhere you go. So, let's say if there's a foreign material or object that's given to you, you can quickly just give it a spray down like that, and that'll just help eliminate the virus around you. Okay, so I hope that helps, and it's always important, for us to stay protected, because there's the concept of out of sight, out of mind, where if we don't see the virus, we tend to think less of it. But it's very important that we demonstrate best practices so that we can continue to maintain a healthy, safety lifestyle, so that, healthcare professionals in hospitals can combat against the patients who are impacted with COVID-19. But let's go ahead and let's stop the spread, and let's stay safe and clean. All right. Thank you for watching today's episode. Have a great day.